Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to walk you through how to use Zoho Inventory step by step. Even if you are a total beginner, if you run a small business, sell products online, or just want to keep better track of your stock, Zoho Inventory is one of the best tools out there in 2025. Stick with me until the end because I will also share some quick tips to help you save time and avoid common mistakes. So alright, without any further ado, let's get started. What actually is Zoho Inventory? So, it is a cloud-based inventory management system that helps you manage your products, orders, sales, and even shipping all in one place. You can track stock levels in real time, create sales and purchase orders, and integrate with marketplaces like Shopify, Amazon, or eBay. Plus, it works on desktop and mobile, so you can manage your business from anywhere. So now let's talk about sign up your and dashboard. So I will click over here, sign up. It's free, and then here I will provide this one company name and all the necessary things over here, or I can go with the Google one because I already have an account with my this account. So I'll click to the continue. So here unverified managed domains, okay, that's not a problem yet. I can skip for now. Then here you can see, okay, that's a good one. So I will click over that place, join, and here actually you can see it already been installed over that place. Just click to the get started, and please wait a bit. And this is the dashboard, we are around it here, revenue ladder. No thanks, I will explore it. So now here this is the inventory one. We already like here, if you are new in here, then you will get something like this, that head over to zoho.com inventory and sign up for a free account. They offer a free plan with basic feature which is perfect for a small business starting out. Once you log in, you will see your Zoho inventory dashboard. Here you will find a quick overview of your sales, orders, stock levels, and recent activity. On the left, you will see the main menus, dashboard items, sales orders, purchase orders, contracts, report, and setting. Then here add your company information they will ask for. Like before you do anything else, let's set up your basic company info. Just click over here, and then here you will find out this gear icon setting. Just click over here. From that place you just need to be provide your organized profile. Fill in your business name, address, and logo if you have one. This info will show up on your invoice and order, so make sure it is correct. Then you just need to be add your items. So let's get back to this one. Now it's time to add your product. So here you can see this is the purchase panel. So here you can see the purchase order. If you click over here, sales, you can add customer, you can add sales order, package, invoice, sales reports, and inventory. You can give item, like here you can add item over that place. So here you just need to be enter your product as SKU. Just click over here, item, to the new, and here you just need to be add your goods or service. So here you just need to be enter your product name. That will be a product what I want to sell. That will be cucumber, cucumber. And then here you just need to provide your SKU. Like if you have, like I am going to add this one, this will be our SKU. That unit, you can select any unit. If you fail to add it, returnable item, it is not a returnable item, then here you can see the weight dimension. These are not the necessary one, so you can leave it. Now here you just need to be add your selling price. So providing selling price will be 125. It is good. Then if like let's disable this one, like it is the sales informations. And if it is available, account sales description, you can add a description, you can add sales tags also. So if you have different variants like size or color, you can use item groups or manage item. When you are done, just click to the save. Your product is now, like please enter your unit. Okay, box, I think this one will be a good. So now I am going to click on the save. Now your product is in your system. Repeat this for all your products. You can also import items in bulk using a spreadsheet, just like import items. Then we are going to add customer and vendor. So for that reason, I will go over to the sales, and then here I will select the customer. Once I select here, we have a customer over that place. So we want to create another customer for our business. So here I will click over that place into the new. Once you click over here, choose whatever it is, a customer or a vendor. This fill in the name, company, email, phone and address. So I will give the individual one, then I will click the Mrs. Shekha Burger. This will name, company name, they don't have any company, so I will select the display Mrs. Zika Burger. Email address, you can provide an email address. So let's go and let's select our email address from that place. I will open the mailbox and this one will be our mailbox mail. So I will click this one and copy the mail from that place and then I will paste it here. You can provide a phone number also, then mobile number. So I am going to provide one phone number 1761. This will be the phone number and then add the country code also. This one will be the country code. Then here you can add text date, company ID and many more. It is not necessary, so you can leave it. Now you just need to click onto the same. This makes creating sales and purchase order much faster when you add a customer. If you already have a list of customer or supplies, you can import them too. So now we are going to create a sales order. So now let's see how to create a sales order. You just need to click sales order here, sales order, over that place, sales order. When you click over here, then select your customer from the list, like click create and sales order over here. Then here you just need to be select your customer. So I already created this one. Then here you just need to be add reference, or you can sales order date, then due to receipt, and here you just need to be provide your product. So I will select cucumber, then the quantity will be 1, the weight already been set, and now I will click and save as send. Like Zoho will automatically calculate the total based on your selling price, and you can also add shipping charge, taxes or discount. Once you are done, you just need to click and send. You can email the sales order directly to your customer or download a PDF. Here you just need to click over here send, and it has already been created, and here you will get the message or email over that place when it will be perfectly sent. So here I will just click to the send. Once I did, then your sales order has been sent. So let's check this out here. So here we will get this one, and here actually you can see that we already get it. Let's open this invoice and you can actually see it. Now you just need to convert to invoice and fulfill the orders. So once the customer converts, you want to convert the sales order into invoice, open the sales order and click convert to invoice. So here come back to this place, and here you can see if you want to convert this, you can convert it into invoice. But let's go to the convert to invoice options. Here just click to this one, convert to invoice, then review the details over that place, and then click save and send again. And this makes it is easy to keep track of payments. To ship the order, you can create a package and add shipping info like the carrier and tracking number. Zoho Inventory integrates with shipping providers like UPS, USPS and FedEx, so you can print shipping level right from your dashboard. Then you can track purchase order. If you need to restock, Zoho makes it simple. Click purchase orders and then new purchase orders. Select your vendor and add items you want to recover and adjust quantities. Just click and save, and you will email the PO to your supplier directly when the stock arrives. Make it received and your inventory levels will update it automatically. So now let's talk about the report and stock tracking. Zoho Inventory comes with helpful reports. Like click to the reports here. You just need to click over here report, and then you just need to click on sales report by sales, and then you will get these reports help you to understand what is selling, what is low on stock and what needs recording. Make it a habit to check your report regularly so you can never run out of stock. And that's it. You know how to get started with Zoho Inventory in 2025. So now connect Zoho Inventory with your online store or marketplace to automate orders and stock updates. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.